Just a quick update on my battery bank. I had my electrical inspector come out. This cupboard is fully enclosed and screwed shut, so it takes like 10 minutes to open it. He wasn't happy that my terminals were visible, so I've put this poly pipe over the top. I just sliced it down the middle, so there's no way any of that thing, it grabs perfectly on to all my terminals, and I mean, it looks alright. Lucky I put lots of shrink wrap for my positives so I can actually see where they are now. But yeah, just a quick update to show my battery bank to make it compliant, supposedly, even though I know other people in Australia don't have to cover every terminal when their whole case isn't even sealed in half the cases. Also, just looking at this, still running 100% off-grid. Off and on, depends on the day. When I'm working I can't maintain it, so I just flick it across to the grid. But it does perfectly. This early morning, it's currently 10 o'clock. We get most of our power in the afternoon because my panels face west-ish. So if you go to my load, oops, flipped out. Hang on. And currently I'm only producing 3.7 amps, so no one's really doing much in the house. The other day when it was 40 in Melbourne, we were hitting over 30 amps. Drained the batteries pretty much 20% overnight, but we were off grid and it charged during the day, even though during the day it was quite cloudy. It was very north wind, and yeah, so it's doing reasonably well now. There's my batteries, 54.3, currently charging at 19 amps, 88%. As I said, 10 o'clock. They've been putting charge in since 6 AM, but it's basically because it's running the house, there hasn't put any really in the battery. It's flicking on and off depending on the cloud cover at the moment. But as the day goes on, midday on, it will pick up, and yeah, should see the amps rise and the battery's charging. These are my two groups of panels. PV1 is giving in 3.7 amps and 2 is bringing in almost 3, and so far I've given the power company 1,168 3 kilowatt hours for nothing, because I don't get paid for any going into the grid. My E-total today is 0 because I'm off grid. As I said, I've been off grid quite a lot, so I'm not actually putting much in, I'm saving it all for the house. But yeah, she's working well. Thanks, Sam.